In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tabs in Google Sheets. Merging tabs in Google Sheets is really about bringing a tab from one spreadsheet into another, so all your data lives in a single place. We'll walk through the built-in Copy To workflow, which is reliable, keeps your formatting intact, and takes just a minute. Start by going to Google in your web browser. At the top right, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. From the menu that appears, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. If you already have Sheets open, you can skip straight to your files. Next, open the spreadsheet that contains the tab you want to merge into another file. Think of this as your source document. Along the bottom, find the specific tab you want to move over. Right-click that tab to open its menu. From the options you see, choose Copy To. This is the feature that duplicates the entire tab, including its data, formatting, and most settings, into another spreadsheet without disrupting your original file. When prompted, click Existing Spreadsheet. This tells Google Sheets that you want to place the copied tab into a spreadsheet that already exists, rather than creating a new file. A file picker will appear. Browse or search for the destination spreadsheet, the one that will receive the tab, and select it. Make sure you have edit access to that file, otherwise the copy can't be inserted. Once you've selected the destination, click Insert to confirm. Sheets will process the copy and show a confirmation message. You'll then see an option to open the destination spreadsheet. Click Open to jump straight into that file and verify the result. Inside the destination spreadsheet, you'll find a new tab added, typically named Copy Of, followed by the original tab name. You can rename it to match your naming convention and drag it to the right spot along the bottom if you want to keep things organized. A few quick tips to smooth out the process. The copied tab brings along formatting, filters, frozen rows, and data validation. If the original tab used formulas that reference other tabs in the source file, double-check them after the copy. References to tabs that don't exist in the destination may need updating. Pivot tables and charts generally copy over, but make sure their data ranges still point where you expect. And that's it. You went from opening Google Sheets to right-clicking the tab you want, to using Copy To with existing spreadsheet, selecting the destination, inserting it, and opening the merged result. You now have both tabs in one place, ready to work with.